I've been investing in real estate for over 30 years. I've been involved in hundreds of transactions and I've learned a lot. There are 3 things you need to know to build wealth without risk: value, risk, and return. How much do you pay? How much risk did you take? And how much did you make? In other words, how do you tell a dead dog loser from the deal of the decade? You have to know your numbers and how to measure and mitigate risk. Whether you are a licensed realtor needing CE hours or an investor wanting to know more about how to acquire below market properties, we invite you to these classes. Investing 101, how much is that property really worth? And Investing 202, how to measure ROI and risk. Clear your calendar, take these 2 Trek-approved CE classes, and I'll share what I've learned in the past 30 years by investing in hundreds of properties. I'll show you the strategies and tools I use to analyze property to lower my risk and increase my returns. My name is Lynn Morgan. I'm an author, investor, developer, and co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. I'll be your instructor for these 2 live Zoom classes. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.